Welcome, Prince Arthas. The men and I are honored by your presence.
Can the formalities, Uther. I'm not king yet. It's good to see you.
You too, lad. I'm pleased that King Terranus sent you to help me.
Father still hopes your patience and experience might rub off on me.
Well, it is a father's right to dream, isn't it?
Look, here's where we stand. Our scouts have confirmed that there is an orc encampment hidden somewhere over the next ridge.
As I suspected.
It gets worse. They're preparing to attack the nearby village of Strahnbrad. As far as we know, the village is completely defenseless.
I need to move against the orcs' base immediately. Can you handle Strahnbrad's defense on your own?
Of course, Uther. Don't worry about me.
Good. Meet me at the orc camp once you've saved the village. Be careful, Arthas.
I'm here to help.
What do you need? Let me out.
The light is my strength.
Say the word.
Is there danger? A sound plan.
Yes, my liege. Aye, my lord. On my way. Orders? Of course. Right. Right.
Justice shall be done.
Say the word.
I stand for the light. Certainly. Of course. For honor. Of course. For honor. Certainly. You are
welcome to our
redemption.
village.
Aye, my lord. Attack!
Justice shall be done. The light is my strength. Justice has come.
We'll fight for Lordaeron! Get your swords!
Is there danger? I stand for the
Please,
light.
you're my only hope. A group of gnolls kidnapped my little Timmy and took him to their hideout in the forest. Could you find him and bring him home?
I stand for the light. A sound plan. I'm here to help. Certainly. Of course. For honor. A sound plan.
Help! Help me, please! I'm trapped in the cage!
What do you need?
Is there danger? Of course. Justice shall be done.
Please get me out of here. I want to go home.
Orders?
I stand for the light.
Oh, thanks so much. I have a reward for you.
The light is my strength.
Yes, my liege. Aye, my lord.
I'm here to help. For honor. Of course. Justice shall be done. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan. Of course. Certainly.
Save us!
It's a trap!
Take everything, men. Take all the valuables.
A sound plan. For honor. Of course.
What do you need? Of course.
The light is my
Say
strength.
the word.
A sound plan.
Yes, my liege.
Is there danger? Certainly. For honor. For honor.
Orders?
I'm here to help.
Help! Bandits are stealing our belongings!
We'll take their coin just like everyone else's.
Those bandits stole my ledger. Without it, I will lose my entire farm. Please, retrieve it from their camp. It would mean so much to us.
For honor. Of course. Certainly.
Yes, my liege.
Justice shall be done.
What do you need?
I stand for the light.
Say the word.
I stand for the light. The light is my strength. Certainly. A sound plan.
Say your prayers.
Orders?
Justice shall be done.
Orders?
I'm here to help.
What do you need? Right. Say the word.
Is there
Yes, my
danger?
liege.
The light is my strength. Of course. Is there danger?
Say the word. To arms! Orders? To arms!
I stand for the light.
What do you need?
I'm here to help.
Yes, my liege. Orders? Say the word.
Justice shall be done. Is there danger? For honor. Certainly.
Thank you for helping me. Please, take this item.
A sound plan. For honor. Of course. I stand for the light. A sound plan.
Save us! He's escaping!
Certainly.
Kill him!
For honor. The attack has already begun. To arms, my brothers!
What do you need? On my way.
Justice shall be done. The light is my strength.
Yes, my liege.
I'm here to help. For honor. A sound plan. Of course. For honor. Of course. A sound plan. Certainly. For honor. Is there danger? I'm here to help. The light is my strength. I stand for the light.
What do you need? Right.
Justice shall be done. The light is my strength. Certainly. A sound plan. Justice shall be done. Of course.
Orders?
Is there danger? I stand for the light. Of course. For honor. I'm here to help. A sound plan. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor.
Say the word.
I stand for the light. Certainly.
Haul these wretches off with the rest of them.
Move him out!
I'm here to help. Justice shall be done. Is there danger? Of course. The light is my strength. I'm here to help. Of course.
Yes, my liege.
Is there danger? Certainly. A sound plan. Justice shall be done. For honor.
Say the word.
I stand for the light.
What do you need?
Of course. The light is my strength. A sound plan. I'm here to help. Certainly.
Bless you, Prince Arthas.
But what about the others who were taken away?
Don't worry, son. We'll find them and bring them home safe.
Prince Arthas, Lord Uther needs you at the Orc encampment immediately.
Never a dull moment. Let's get moving.